too much green. Hey! I can't even move! Am I a plant now?
This is getting out of control!
The balance is broken! Green is taking over!
We have to find the source! Whoa! Going!
Bowing! Bowing! That must be the source! We just want to grow. But you're growing too much. Uh-oh, it's getting worse. We need balance, not more green. Let's fix it together. Perfect balance. Okay, maybe just a little green. Wait, is yellow next?